So guys, I'm going to do a really fast craft with you. I would like to show you how the recycled hot sauce bottle project went once I painted it. So it's this bottle, and these are TeaLight holders. So just like I used a TeaLight holder at the bottom of this, I used it one at the bottom and then one on top. So this is how it looks. Let me see if I can get this on camera for you guys. So that's it. It's a recycle, reuse, repurpose project. So I also showed you in a previous video how to make these moss balls. So these are floral moss balls. I put it in a bowl that I showed you in another video. This came for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. So I want to show you what you can do with it. And this is a Dollar Tree plate that comes clear. And all I did was paint the bottom. So if this is washable, it's this washable paint. So once you paint it, you can then use soap and water to remove it. So that's another fun craft. I guess I could get something to seal it, but I just wanted to do a fast craft. So you see the moss balls will come, some of the moss will come off. You can just glue it, or what I like to do is put it right on top. So let me show you how to create a stand. So I'm going to take this stand, which is from these two candlesticks. So 1,